to rasterize the layer. Right click, choose rasterize. Grab your object selection tool here from your toolbar. Make a quick selection around the subject you want to remove. Okay, and then once that is selected, you can right click on your mouse and then hit delete and fill. Notice I did not expand the pixels around the image. All right, so now we're done with that, but let me show you another method that I see a lot of people doing. So we're just going to Command Z out of this here. Make the selection around your subject. Go up here to select, modify, expand. Your little expand menu will come up. You can expand it out, say 30 pixels. Go to edit and then fill. Choose content aware fill and click OK.